guys, so we are walking into our Airbnb. Everything went terribly wrong with the rental cars, but we made it.
Central air, so there's only air in the bedrooms.
That's what it seems like.
Okay. This is what our Airbnb looks like.
This don't work. Turn the light on. Oh shit! Like, I'm fucking mad.
Oh, I thought this was open. How I open this?
There's no switch for this one.
Y'all, I can't get the door open.
We got a pool?
Woo! There it go. There it go. This will be looking like, or whatever, you know. Trees is beautiful. Yeah, there is a pool right there.
Oh, pool.
And we can see it from the room.
All right. Cool, we can go to the pool.
Yes, the grass looks beautiful.
I know.
Goddamn.
Green grass.
Right. The trees is everything, too. Realized I didn't show y'all upstairs because I hadn't seen upstairs. You said what?
All these ACs are working, so which one is she talking
No, she said one of them is going to be loud. So this is one room, cute. We're going to make the couple sleep in that room. They got to sleep separate for modesty's sake. I'm kidding.
But no,
This their room. They going to get the big one since they a couple.
I thought this one might not have no AC though, so hold up, I'm staying right here.
It's cool. It's nice too.
It's straight.
I'm talking about the AC. Oh, y'all got a bidet? Ooh! They got a bidet! Ah!
Use that though.
You say you know how to use it? It look like it's like a faucet, like a tub. Look, don't do it like Babs. Don't cut it on and look like Halle Berry off of Babs now. Come
Bitch,
on.
it don't even cut on, baby.
I'm scared. Do the middle one first. I think the middle one is to cut it on, and the two on the sides is for temperature. Maybe you gotta stick your booty in it. I have no clue.
I'm dead ass. Go in there.
Look at my best friend.
Why my location not popping up?
Oh, we got a little.
It's nice.
Right, if we had some patio furniture out here, it'd be lit. Oh, what?
Think she rather get high off it and she smoke all day, get drunk off liberty. Think she rather get high off it and she smoke all day, get drunk off liberty. Think she rather get high off it and she smoke all day and get off liberty. Think.
Let's see what's out back this way. Oh, this is just a parking lot. It's real nice. Why the water tower so rusty? I didn't even put my bag down yet. But this is actually really cute. Like, I'm excited. Woo! Phone about to die. Gotta go put it on the charger. Yes, we do need to eat first. Okay, so who's sleeping in where? Alex, have you claimed that room for your own?
She can have that one. We can use it for.
Okay. It looks like Alex has claimed that room for her own. Me and Deja gonna sleep in the. Ooh, we got a full-size mirror in this. Look at all. Y'all know somebody that messed up. Y'all gave. Wait, let me take this fanny pack off. Y'all. What did I drop? It don't even matter. Y'all done gave a bitch a whole wall mirror. The whole thing. All of it.
I'm gonna be here.
I'm excited. Right.
But y'all really don't know. Okay.
So yeah, that's just gonna be where I end this. I guess this part is just gonna be like the little Airbnb tour. I'll probably make this into a separate video. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you later. Bye.